An SHG MELA cum health camp was held today at RAPLENG under MAWKYNREW C&RD block, where Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad Sangma was the chief guest during the event. Those present were the MLA of MAWKYNREW and also Minister for Agriculture, BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH, members of various self-help groups and village organizations, government officials and others. The Chief Minister had also distributed cheques amounting to Rs 48.55 lakhs to 70 farmer producer groups, impacting 971 households. This is part of Meghalaya's biggest farmers' welfare program, Focus. 8 village organizations were also sanctioned an amount of Rs 22.80 lakhs under the community investment funds, while another 27 lakhs of rupees was sanctioned as bank loan to 19 self-help groups. The Meghalaya Chief Minister also launched the market outlet at LYNGDOH under MAWKYNREW C&RD block, a project implemented in convergence with MGNREGS, NRLM and MBMA. At the event, a display and sale of traditional indigenous products by the SHGs of the area was witnessed.
Solar-powered baby warmer, I mean that's for hospitals I'm saying, and CHC, PHC, but we can have solar power and it lasts for 3 days. Enough battery backup is there, full refrigerator can run, lights can run.
For the very first time, the most important office, more important than most of the other offices, which is the block office, which has been left unattended to for the longest time. I'm happy to inform you that we have sanctioned 3 crores for every block. New block offices will be made in all the 46 blocks. Almost over 120 crores has been sanctioned for this, and the construction for this will start by about March. For the first time, the police stations which have been left unattended, this government is sanctioning over 100 crores to renovate and to build new buildings wherever it's required. But while I tell you all of this, it will be meaningless. The thousands of crores we spend will be meaningless if we are not able to touch the lives of the people who are in the rural areas. And that is why, while the infrastructure projects are going on, while we're building different roads, we realize that there are 4.5 lakh families who are dependent on agriculture, who are dependent on small processing units, who are dependent on small rural activities for their livelihood. And it is the responsibility of the government to ensure that we are able to touch those lives.